Hello guys, again this is a Orcha. You can see the beauty of Orcha. Betwa river. This is a bridge. Not a permanent construction, but it's a temporary construction. Can you see this? And this water have crocodiles. It's literally water is flowing over from here. This is a hidden place in Odisha. This place looks like Sundarban Delta. Can you see this?